Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about descriptive text. Anybody knows what descriptive text is? Okay, if you still don't know about descriptive text, now let's us discuss. So, descriptive text is a kind of text which purpose is to describe a particular person, place, or thing in detail. Ya, jadi descriptive text itu adalah teks yang ditulis dengan tujuan untuk menggambarkan, sekali lagi, menggambarkan seseorang, tempat, atau sesuatu secara detail. Ya, jadi tujuannya untuk menggambarkan. Jadi supaya the readers atau pembaca bisa membayangkan, bisa mendapatkan gambaran dari apa yang kita tulis. Now, there are two characteristic of descriptive text. The first one is identification, and then the second one is description. What is identification? Identification introduces phenomenon of thing that is going to be described, or introduces where or who the subject being described is. Jadi, identifikasi itu memperkenalkan ya subjek, benda, orang, atau tempat yang akan kita deskripsikan. So for example, if you want to describe about your friend, for example, so you cannot just go on to the description, but first you have to identify, introduce what is your friend. And then the second one is description. Description is the supporting part of the paragraph which describe in detail or assist the readers to see or feel the subject. For example, the qualities, appearances, uses, habits, and etc. Jadi, description itu tujuannya adalah menggambarkan, mendeskripsikan secara detail daripada subjek, orang, benda, atau tempat yang kita deskripsikan. Okay, now we are going to discuss about language features of a descriptive text. The first one, we have adjective, and then pronoun, linking verb, and then we have verb, simple present tense, preposition, noun, and adverb. Yeah, these are the language features of a descriptive text. Now let's discuss one by one. Adjective. Adjective in bahasa Indonesia is kata sifat. Actually, we have studied this topic, this item. So, for example, smart. Smart is adjective. Small, big, and then the second one is pronoun. Pronoun itu kata ganti. Ya, kata ganti he, she, it, they, we, itu kata ganti. So, for example, you want to describe about Naila Karisma. Nah, if you want to describe about Naila Karisma, the pronoun that you use is she. Because the subject is Naila. But if the subject is Pak Henry, for example, so the pronoun is he. Okay, and then verb. Verb itu kata kerja. Ya, contohnya study, read, sleep, go, walk, itu verb, kata kerja yang menunjukkan aktivitas. And then simple present tense. So we have studied about simple present tense, and then one of the uses of simple present tense is to state a fact or general truth. Jadi simple present tense kan gunanya untuk menyatakan fakta atau kebenaran umum. That's why if we want to describe something, someone, or a place, you use simple present tense. And then the next is preposition. Preposition itu kata depan. Nah, contohnya on, in, under, behind, above. And then noun. Noun itu kata benda. The example is the chair. Itu noun. Table. The tree. The school. And then the last one is adverb. Adverb itu kata keterangan. Okay. Now we are going to have the example of a descriptive text. Here is the example. So I have a best friend. His name is Timothy. Nah, this part is identification. Itu disebut identification ya, karena memperkenalkan subjek atau orang yang akan dibahas dalam teks tersebut. Nah, itu harus ada identification. Nah, kemudian dari he is until the last word the poor itu adalah descriptions ya, yang menggambarkan orang yang dideskripsikan itu secara detail. Contohnya, he is from Australia, he is 18 years old, he has curly hair, and then what else? He has brown eyes, etc. So this part is called description. This is another example of descriptive text, the simple one. Yeah, this is Lisa. This is identification. Yeah, introduce the subject that is going to be described. This is Lisa. Harus ada itu yang memperkenalkan subjek yang akan dibahas. Jangan langsung she is singer, she is from Korea, nggak boleh. Jadi harus ada identification-nya dulu. Baru kemudian description-nya. Contohnya, she has long hair, she has white skin, she has black eyes, and she is beautiful. Itu namanya description. Okay, so that's all about descriptive text. I hope that you will understand my explanation. Thank you and see you next time.